Yes, my dear students, in today's class let us discuss a very important topic under vector calculus, that is solenoidal and irrotational vector. Solenoidal vector and irrotational vector. We already discussed about the definition of this solenoidal and irrotational vectors when I am discussing about the basic definitions under vector calculus. See, a vector f is said to be a solenoidal. A vector f is said to be solenoidal if divergence of vector f is equal to 0. Similarly, if the curl of vector f is equal to 0 vector, then it is said to be irrotational vector. That's all. So what we have to remember here, divergence of vector f is equal to 0 means the vector is a solenoidal. If divergence f becomes 0, then it is a solenoidal vector. If curl f has become 0, then it is a irrotational vector. These are the two things we have to keep it in our mind. I have an example here. Show that vector f is equal to xi plus yj divided by x square plus y square is both solenoidal and irrotational. See, this is a very important problem for the question paper setter under the solenoidal and irrotational concept. Okay. Here we have to show this vector f is solenoidal and also irrotational. See, to show this vector is a solenoidal, what is the condition? The condition is divergence vector f must be equal to 0. See, if it happens, then I can say vector f is a solenoidal. If divergence of f is equal to 0, then I can say this vector f is a solenoidal vector. Similarly, to show it is irrotational, I have to consider curl vector f. If curl vector f has become 0 vector, then it is understood that this vector f is an irrotational vector. Now let us consider divergence vector f. Divergence vector f is nothing but what? Del dot vector f, right? Divergence is nothing but del dot. Divergence vector f is nothing but del dot vector f. Del is nothing but, what is the definition of del? Del is nothing but dou by dou xi plus dou by dou yj plus dou by dou zk. But here for this particular vector f, it is defined only in x and y coordinates. It is not the 3 coordinate system, it is only the 2 coordinate system. For these two, in this 2 coordinate system, we have to define del as dou by dou xi plus dou by dou yj. That's all. If it is a 3 coordinate system, then we define del as dou by dou xi, dou by dou yj and dou by dou zk. Since it is only defined for I and j component or x and y coordinates, we have defined del as dou by dou xi plus dou by dou yj. That's all. And here del dot dot del, it is del dot vector f, right? Del dot vector f. Del is this dot, del dot vector f. Vector f is given, whatever it is given I have written here, but I just altered it. See, I have just splitted the denominator for the numerator terms. See, I have just splitted the denominator for the numerator terms. That's all. Xi divided by x square plus y square plus yj divided by x square plus y square. Xi divided by x square plus y square plus yj divided by x square plus y square. This I have splitted. Xi divided by x square plus y square plus yj divided by x square plus y square. I have splitted the denominator for the numerator terms. I have written here. Now, just multiply this. What it will be? What is the dot product? I into I will be 1. J into j will become 1. So, I into I. So, the meaning of this is differentiate this partially with respect to x. The meaning of this is what? Differentiate this partially with respect to x. So x is present in both the numerator and denominator. So you have to use quotient rule of differentiation. So when you apply quotient rule of differentiation, denominator square in the numerator, what it is? In the numerator, denominator into differentiation of numerator with respect to x, that is x differentiation is 1, minus numerator, that is x, into differentiation of denominator. Differentiation of denominator is what? X square differentiation is 2x plus y square differentiation with respect to x, it is 0, divided by denominator the square. This is the quotient rule of differentiation. Plus again j into j is 1, so I have to multiply only these two terms, right? So when I multiply these two terms, dou by dou y of this term means differentiate this partially with respect to y. So both y is present in numerator and denominator. I have to use quotient rule again here. So according to quotient rule, in the denominator it is denominator the square. In the denominator square. In the numerator, denominator into differentiation of numerator with y with respect to y is 1 minus numerator y into differentiate the denominator. X square differentiation is 0 plus y square differentiation is 2y divided by denominator the square. It is from the rule, quotient rule. We have differentiated these two terms. We have got this. Now let me simplify this since denominator is same. So let me take denominator common, that is x square plus y square the whole square is common in the denominator, and whatever the terms in the numerator which is present here, let me simplify that. X square plus y square is there, then minus 2x square plus x square plus y square minus 2y square. Y square plus y square is 2y square. 2y square with minus 2y square will get cancel each other. X square plus x square is 2x square. 2x square minus 2x square will get cancel each other. So what I will get? I will get 0 in the numerator. So what I will get? 0 in the numerator. 0 by anything is what? 0. So divergence of vector f has become 0. See, divergence of f, if it is equal to 0, then it means that the vector f is a solenoidal vector. So it is a solenoidal vector. Now I have to show this is a irrotational vector also. To show it is irrotational vector, I have to consider curl vector f is what? Okay, what is curl vector f? Curl vector f is equal to del cross vector f. The definition of curl is cross product. Curl vector f is del cross vector f. Cross product definition is determinant of ijk. The first row is common ijk, and the second row is the elements of this del. Third row is the element of this vector f. See, since for the given problem vector f, it is defined only for two components x and y, isn't it? It is only defined for two coordinates x and y. It is defined only for two components I and j. So here the third component is 0. I can take the third component is 0. This one you understood. Del components are dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. This you understood. The components of vector f you have to take. This is your I component and this is your j component, and k component is 0 for the given vector f because it is defined only for x and y coordinates. Now don't forget to write 0 here. Okay. Now we just simplify this determinant. You know how to simplify the determinant, right? See, I into dou by dou y of this constant 0, dou by dou z of this. Dou by dou z of this means z is not present here. It is constant only. Differentiation of constant is again 0 minus j into again differentiation of this constant 0 minus differentiation of this term with respect to z again 0 plus k into differentiation of this with respect to x, dou by dou x of this minus dou by dou y of this term I have written here. Now I will differentiate this k into these two terms anyway has become 0, k into dou by dou x of this. See what it will become. Again you have differentiate this with respect to x, right? Okay, differentiation of this with respect to x means x is present in the denominator. So what is the differentiation of 1 by x? Differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. When I apply the same rule here, x is present in the denominator only. So you can apply this rule. 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. It means that 1 divided by denominator square. 1 divided by denominator square into differentiation of this denominator. What is the differentiation of this x with respect to x? That is 1. We usually don't write this one. It is understood. Similarly, if I differentiate this denominator with respect to x, so it is x square differentiation is 2x. Y square differentiation it is 0. You can leave it. 2x. Okay. Y is already there in the problem. That's why I have written that y as it is. This minus is from the rule. Understood? Similarly, differentiation of this with respect to y. Y is present only in the denominator. So again, when it is in the denominator, so 1 by x differentiation is minus 1 by x square. Similarly, 1 by y differentiation is minus 1 by y square. Y differentiation with respect to y is 1. Similarly, denominator contains only y terms. So it is 1 divided by the denominator square, x square plus y square the whole square into differentiation of this denominator. Differentiation of denominator, y differentiation is 1. Similarly, here differentiation of x square plus y square with respect to y. Y square differentiation is 2y, x square differentiation is 0. X is already there in the problem. I have written as it is. This minus is from the rule. This minus is already there from the formula, IJK formula. Now let me simplify this. Here it is minus 2xy. Here also it is minus 2xy. Minus to minus is plus. So it will be one negative term and one positive term will give you 0. So it is a 0. It is also 0. It is also 0. it is also 0. It is nothing but 0i plus 0j plus 0k. It is a vector. So it is a 0 vector. So when the curl vector f is a 0 vector, then we can say the vector f is a irrotational vector. Thank you.